Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another entrepreneurship video, and I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to be talking about how to build a successful Shopify store. So if you're not familiar with me, I am the owner of Taylor Beauty. I do have a Shopify store that has generated over 8 figures in revenue, and I also have another Shopify store, KiaJ.com, where I offer coaching services and I do sell my ebook. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to install a Shopify theme onto your store that converts, as well as that helps you to upsell to customers. So today's video is sponsored by Debutify, and Debutify is a theme that you can integrate into your Shopify store. I've worked with them in the past, and I really love how easy it is to add the theme onto your store, make your store look completely clean, completely polished, and really have a good customer experience. So usually what happens is when your customers go onto your website, they have about a minute to decide whether or not they want to make that purchase, and it usually depends on how well your website is put together. So I'm going to go onto my computer and show you guys exactly how I installed a Debutify theme, and I do have a code for you guys. I'll leave it right here, as well as in the description box if you do decide to add this theme onto your store. So I'm going to show you how to add the theme, how you can upsell to customers. The theme is great because it adds social proof, as well as you can add your Instagram pages, you can add testimonials, you can add all types of things in addition to the products or services that you offer on your website. So I'm going to go ahead on my computer and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install the theme and customize your website step by step. Is my website, KiaJ.com, and as you can see, it looks pretty simple, but I definitely do need to update my personal website. So I went ahead on Debutify.com and I added the theme. So you do have to go onto their website to add a theme, and as you can see, this theme is really tailored towards sales. So once you go on the website, it'll ask you, you'll be redirected to your Shopify store, and I'm going to install the app, and I do have the link down below as well as a coupon code so that you can use to install this app. So as you can see, very simple, took less than 1 minute to get the app installed onto. As you can see here, I have the theme on my site. It's not customized, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to customize my theme. Alright, so next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to update the colors on my website because I don't like those colors because they don't go with my brand. So for the background, I'm going to just keep it simple as white. And I'm just going to go for a plain black and white background. And then for my text, I'm just going to add black. I am very simple with my color scheme. If you are doing this, I definitely recommend that you use your brand colors. So figure out what your brand colors are and use them. For me, mine is black, white, and gold. But my gold is really going to be in my images. So I'm just going to change everything here to black and white. So this is probably one of the first things that you want to do because you want to make sure that the colors align with your brand. You don't want to I wouldn't use the colors that Debutify provides because it's probably 9 out of 10 not your colors. Alright, so I'm going to go back and look through the website, and as you can see, my colors all remain the same. And I am going to go over here. I was playing around with this, but I'm going to add a section for image with the text because the first thing I want people to see is that I have an ebook when they come onto my website, and I want them to be interested in the ebook that I have to offer. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and update that. See how easy this is coming along? Um, I don't want to tell people to purchase my ebook. My ebook is now available. And of course, I want to take them to my ebook. So I'm going to go to the products that I have to offer, and I am going to go to my ebook. So when they click on the picture, they will be able to buy my ebook. So if I'm promoting my ebook and someone sees it on the internet, or they see it on my Instagram page, they'll know a bit right away how they can purchase my ebook. So right here, featured content, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that because I don't want it. I want people to know exactly what I offer when they go onto my website. So as you can see, when I had a theme previously, and honestly, I really do like this theme better. So far, it looks well organized and very much well put together. So next, I am going to add a collection under my book because I definitely want to make sure that anybody who comes onto my website knows exactly what I have to offer when they go onto my website. So 9 times out of 10, people are not going to stay on your homepage for longer than a minute. So you want them to be able to see the products that are most important when they enter into your onto your page. So I'm going to my featured collection, and as you can see here, it's added the collection, and I'm going to select the collection. Usually these are normally your best sellers. I'm going to do coaching services because when people come to my website, they are probably going to buy the services that I have to offer. Now, what I do like about this is that they can easily add it to the cart once they go onto my website. And I do, if I'm running a special at the moment, you can see not only the sale price, I chose red earlier, but you can also see how much money you'll be saving. And people love to save money. So I like that. Honestly, I'm liking it so far. Okay, so I went back and I finished up the theme, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So basically, I went in, there was some stuff on here that I did not want. So these are the stuff that they automatically add on the side. And if you go to theme settings, and I really like these add-ons. You can add on, you can remove some of the preset add-ons that they have, or you can add your own add-ons. I like this cart countdown because it does make the customer want to buy. It has a timer. The delivery time tells them how long they should expect a package, and this will actually really help with customer service. So you can add or remove any of the theme settings, but I like that because it really will help your customer to understand what they're getting, and if they have a lot of questions, 9 times out of 10 they're not going to want to purchase. So I've added the featured collection. So in this collection, I have all my coaching services. So right here, you can see that I've added my coaching services, and they are all right here within the theme. So in the next section, I added my Instagram feed because I definitely want people to be able to connect with me on Instagram. I did a custom HTML. I used another app and put it on here, but you can always use their add-on that they have. I used my previous app because I already had a Shopify store. So you can add more products and services. Later, I am going to add another section where I can add my testimonials from my customers, my previous customers. So I'm going to add testimonials. Testimonials are really, really good to add onto your store because it helps your customer feel like they can trust whatever product or service that you're offering. So by the time this video is complete and you go to my website, you will see that there's some testimonials on my page, and you can always hide it so that later you know to go to it. I'm going to hide it. That means that I need to update it. And then I want to add another part in here where I can add just some more social proof. I have been featured in different magazines. I actually have to update this in articles. So I want to tell people what I've been featured in, because when they come to my website, wow, I really have to update this because I've been in so much stuff since then. But when they come to my website, I want them to know that if they're going to pay a premium price for coaching services or for a book, I definitely want them to know that they're going to be getting that I've been featured and stuff, and you know, I'm not just some coach trying to get a little bit of extra money. So I'm gonna go, and I'm actually gonna move this section up, and actually by the time you see this will be updated as well. And I like that you can move things up and down throughout your website. So I'm gonna move this section right here. So in order to move it, you want to go to this little icon right here and move this up and down. So that's my Instagram feed. I want it right below, and I'm just going to show you guys what the testimonials might look like. So let's go ahead and do a preview of this page, and I'm going to show you exactly what all is on the website when we do the preview. And actually, before I preview it, let me save it because it's not going to let me preview anything that has not been saved. So I'm going to go and save it and then preview it because it's not going to show you any of the changes that you've made. So again, when you look on the website, that's the header from the Debutify theme. Then I added my ebook. I added the buy now button. Then I added my collections on how we can work together. Next, I added my social proof. If you have any type of social proof, always put it in your page. This can be in the form of things you've been featured in. This is the featured image on a theme. Next, I added my Instagram feed. You can use the Debutify theme that the Debutify add-on that they allow, or you can use something that you want to use. And lastly, I have testimonials, which I will update at a later date. So yes, that is how easy it is to add the theme. Later you want to go and fix your navigation, and these are just different pages within Shopify. So you'll add pages, and then you'll add the pages onto your navigation. So here I gotta fix this because my face is cut off, so I'll fix that a little bit later. So here you can see that I have the store, and one thing that I do like about the Debutify theme is they tell you all the different payment methods that you could use, ways that you can get a discount. You want to add a discount, but you don't want to overly heavily discount your products because you don't want people to rely on discounts in order to purchase. And then you have what's recommended. I really love this because Debutify automatically adds different things onto the product page, so I really like that. So now I have my other collection. This is all of my products that I offer. Very neat on my website. They have a row of 4. You can customize how many things you want per row, and then get in touch with me. That's just my contact info. So once the website is complete, my page will be live, and you guys can actually see exactly how the Debutify theme looks. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and go back to my themes. Now you can see I already have a pre-used Shopify theme that's actually live. Once I finish doing all of this to my theme, what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go to actions, and then I'm going to publish it once I completely finish it. So this is probably going to take me about a day or two to finish it, and then I'll go ahead and publish. Okay guys, so I hope you found this video very informative. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me. In addition to creating entrepreneurship on YouTube, I share a lot of behind the scenes with my business on Instagram. So make sure you guys follow me, KiaJames_ on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.